comes with a separate study guide. All of it is available. The book is available at Amazon and the study guide at salemnow.com. Fault Lines, the Social Justice Movement, and Evangelicalism's Looming Catastrophe. And his name is Voddie Baucham Jr. Baucham is B-A-U-C-H-A-M. And he insisted I call him Voddie, which is remarkable since I insisted he call me Mr. Prager. That was a joke. My guests are not always used to my doing.
We froze. We froze there for a second. Sorry.
Okay. Was the froze technical or emotional?
Gotcha.
Right, exactly. Well, to distill it into a minute or so, what are you telling the world? He's frozen there, gentlemen. I'm not sure why we're continuing to use some.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, gentlemen, we'll have to try him later.
So,
no, I'm sorry, Voddie. It's not fair to you that we keep breaking up. We'll just have to. We'll have to do something. Then we're going to call you on the phone. I don't know why you guys tried Skype again. It clearly is not working. Folks, my patience is tested rarely, because I'm very patient. But on technical matters, I have very little patience. We owe it to our guests to do it right. We owe it to you, our listeners, and I feel that very strongly. In any event, I was saying to you that he has hit the nail on the head. You either believe in leftism or you believe in Judeo-Christian values. They are antipathies. Period. End of issue. I strongly recommend, I urge you to get gold and silver. The looming catastrophe of the dollar caused by the left, imprinting trillions of them with nothing to back them. And the looming catastrophe, if it happens, of not using the U.S. dollar as the international currency, argues powerfully for owning some gold and silver. I get it from Nick Grovich, because he is so honest It's one of the few sponsors I mentioned the person by name, not just the company. AmericanFederal.com, 800-221-7694, 800-221-7694. AmericanFederal.com, no obligation.
Tell me why Relief Factor is so successful at lowering or eliminating pain. I'm often asked that question, and the owners of Relief Factor tell me they believe our bodies were designed to heal. That's right, designed to heal, and I agree with them. The doctors who formulated Relief Factor selected the 4 best ingredients, yes, 100% drug-free ingredients, each helping your body deal with inflammation. Each of the 4 ingredients deals with inflammation from a different metabolic pathway. That's right there, approaching from 4 different angles, maybe why so many people find such wonderful relief. So if you have back pain, shoulder, neck, hip, knee, or foot pain from exercise or just getting older, you should order the 3-week quick start, discounted to only $19.95 to see if it will work for you. It has for about 70% of the 500,000 people who've tried it, and they've ordered more. Go to ReliefFactor.com or call 800-4RELIEF, the number 4RELIEF, to find out about this offer. Feel the difference.
Hi, this is Jason Hansen. I'm a former CIA officer and best-selling author on safety and preparedness. The fact is, things are getting downright scary for everyone who's storing their wealth in the banks. We just saw the collapse of 3 major banks, and I would urge you to consider protecting your wealth ASAP. If even a tiny percentage of Americans attempt to withdraw their savings, we would see a collapse of the entire banking system, sending us into a modern-day Great Depression. Fortunately, there is a way for you to avoid this. It starts with contacting Advantage Gold. If you have an IRA or 401k, Advantage Gold can help convert those paper assets into physical gold and silver. This is the process that I recommend everybody use as a hedge against rapid inflation and to protect your retirement wealth from the banks. Take control of your financial safety today. Call 800-900-8000 to get your free gold investment kit from Advantage Gold. Call 800-900-8000. That's 800-900-8000.
Advantage Gold is not an investment advisor or a tax advisor. Consult with your financial advisor before investing.
Call 800-900-8000.
Introducing A Climate Change with Matt Matters, where we explore all angles of fighting climate change and helping our environment, the most dire and pressing need on our planet. We also explore changing the climate of our political dialogue and helping to unite and heal our nation. A Climate Change is a 1-hour talk-focused show hosted by highly experienced employment and environmental attorney Matt Matter, who talks issues with today's top authors and influential personalities. Sunday morning at 10 here on 860 AM, The Answer.
It could be the best years of your life. In retirement, you'll finally get to do what you want to do. But you do have to plan for it. Start by tuning in to Eric Heckman of Heckman Financial and Insurance Services Sunday morning at 9 for Wealth Creator Radio. Find out what the heck you need to know to make retirement the best time of your life. Wealth Creator Radio with Eric Heckman, Saturday mornings at 8, Sunday mornings at 9. Investment advisory services provided by Heckman Financial and Insurance Services, Inc.
Get access to my show commercial-free with on-demand listening anytime you want. Sign up now at Prager here, and we have Udi Volkov back, Dean of the School of Divinity at African Christian University in Lusaka, Zambia. Has a book, Fault Lines, The Social Justice Movement and Evangelicalism's Looming Catastrophe. So what I like to do with people like you is bounce off my theories and have you react to them. I tell all guests it is completely acceptable to completely differ with me, partially differ with me, or agree with me. My take in a nutshell is that leftist ideology, which is the antithesis, as I was saying, of biblical values, has everything it touches it destroys, and that includes religion, and it has deeply infected and affected Protestantism, Catholicism, and Judaism. Would you react to that?
I agree completely, and I think that it's intentional, especially when we talk about Marxism, whether it's classical Marxism or neo-Marxism. Those are vehemently not only atheistic, but anti-religious and anti-Christian. So it only makes sense that ideologies and worldviews that are born out of that soul, would have the impact, the negative impact and the deleterious effect that they have on Jews, Christians, and others for that matter.
So why has African Christianity somewhat remained impervious to this destructive influence?
It really hasn't. Marxism is prevalent in African Christianity as well. As well as in broader African culture. In broader African culture, it's a byproduct of the influence of the UN, the World Bank, and others. And I always say with shepherds come shackles. So we see a lot of people.
That's a good line. Hold on, I want to memorize that. With shekels come shackles. That is exactly correct.
Yeah. So you see a lot of influence as a direct result of, that monetary input from the West.
So, in a nutshell, tell me this: why? I'd like you to explain, if it's explicable, why the vast majority of Black Americans vote for what is the opposite of many of their own values, and certainly the values of Christianity.
Yeah, it's a worldview and perspective issue, and it's interesting, for me to talk to friends and family members and talk to them about issues on which we agree, and talk to people who are relatively conservative socially, but who are absolutely committed to and absolutely bought into the idea that the government's role is that of helping and aiding and rescuing, and that there's a party out there that will help and will aid and will rescue. There's also, this wholesale buying into the idea that republicanism is white and it's racist and it's greedy and so on and so forth. So I don't get it, and it's difficult to break through.
Yeah, that's correct. It's difficult to break through. It's such a fascinating thing. Republicanism is white, so therefore it's wrong. A, why is that not 100%, not 90, but 100% racist? B, why isn't that stupid? What if somebody said, the NBA is overwhelmingly black, I'm not going to watch games? Why would that be any different?
Yeah, it's not different, but it's perceived to be extremely different, because we've been sent this idea for years that Black people and minorities in general can't be racist, and that's rooted in neo-Marxism. It's rooted in cultural Marxism that views the world through this oppressed paradigm. Racism it comes from the oppressor class, and white people are the oppressor class.
That's right. You got it. Well, you really know it. It's a joy to talk to you. What would you like people to get? Your study guide and book? What are you promoting? Because I want people to get it.
Yeah. So the book